Hello friends, so welcome back. Today we will see what is destructuring to destructuring. So destructuring is an ES6 feature and destructuring makes it easy to interact to extract only what it is needed from arrays or objects. So let's say consider it like that. If you want to make any sandwich, so whatever the things needed to make a sandwich, you just only take out those things from the fridge, not all the things from the fridge. So destructuring is the same thing. So let's see it into the example. For that, I'll open the code sandbox for the ES6. I'll just search for the code sandbox ES6 over here in the Google, and you can just open it. It's giving me a You can open the code sandbox. Here you can write any type of React code and ES6 code that you can run and try it over here itself. So now it is here. We are in the app.js and we have the use effect and everything is there. So I'll just remove this method for some time. Or maybe we can keep it over here. Let's just remove it. I'll just remove this use effect also. Okay. Now we can just try. So how does the code sandbox works? Let's say instead of one, I'll write hello. So it's printed over here. So okay, let's start now. So let's say I have an array of animals where the first animal is dog, second one is whale, third one is falcon. So how do we get the data from this? If I want to get what is whale and what is the fish available into the array and all these things. So how do I get it? I get it like land-based animal equals to animals of zero const the animal equals to animals of one const bird equals to animals of two. So likewise we are doing in the traditional way. Okay, so here we can print it like this: ul/ul unordered list. Let's add list. Wait. Okay, land animal, sea animal, and bird. So this is how we write. Okay, so this is how we do it to the traditional way. But in ES6, how in destructing how we do? We just remove these things. Let's say adding, and here we say add land animal, sea animal, comma, and we can say animals. So this is one way. So here it's still working. You can maybe change, say cat. It's changed. So this is how we do for the arrays. Let's say here maybe some uh, this is how we add. And if you don't want to fetch the sea animal, you just don't want to see animal related data, so you can just remove it and you can just say it like this. So only the first element and the last element is fetched out and the middle one is not taken out. So this is how we do it for the arrays. We have an object. Let's try with the object. Let's say I have a car object. Here I have a model, let's say XUV 300 type equals to SUV registration is again an add object. City is, let's say, Pune. State, Maharashtra. Country, India. If you want to get the only the type, maybe, so let's write a method which will help us to just print a message. So let's say I'm writing const print model equals to arrow function. Here I will just take object. Here I'll say type, but maybe, sorry, model. So here I can say console.log model equals to plus model. If you just open the console, okay, nothing is printed because we have not called the print model method yet. Okay, now we can call print model and we can pass the car object. Let's save it. See, model equals to CV300. So that's how we can say. Let's say if you want to access the nested object, let's say I want to access the city. Here we can add nested object. Then let's say registration, okay, colon object city, and we can say plus comma, okay, city equal to plus city. Save it again, and you can see city is printed. So that's how we access. So this is what we called as destructuring. We are actually separating out the elements from the array or objects. And yeah, thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture.